Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. I am so excited to do an unboxing for you. This is something I normally don't buy, so it's really fun for me. And I'm excited to show you what it is. It's something I purchased online, and let's just get right to it. So here's the box it came in. There we go, Louis Vuitton. That. This is, of course, the little care booklet thing in there with receipt, invoice, my little card I wrote to myself, a return label, so all that good stuff. And then let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Okay, so here's the box, and open it up to reveal something with some kind of extra something in there. What could that be? Could it be laces? I'm not sure. All right, let's keep on going through this. Okay. What could it be in there? What is that? What is that? Alrighty. So this is the front row sneaker, obviously by Louis Vuitton. It is so gorgeous, so stunning. It has, you can see, where is it? Is it too bright in here? It's got Louis Vuitton written in gold and like a gold plaque. And then it's got LV under there. And it's got that there. And the rivets on here say Louis Vuitton on them. And I just love these. I love everything about them. I love the black laces that they can stay clean. I like the black shiny back here. It just brings it up to another level, you know, the black patent. I love the monogram. I think it's so beautiful. You know, I went into the store the other day. They didn't have my size. I tried a size larger, it was a 39.5. It was too big. I'm a true 39, and these, everyone has told me these run true to size, so I'm gonna try these on. These are 39, and we'll see. Actually, I don't know if you can see it, but that says 39 there. That's where the sizing is. And anyway, I hadn't seen them in person. I just saw them online and on some videos, and I asked her if I could see them, and that's when I tried on the 39.5, and they're killer. They are so stunningly gorgeous, you know? So I ended up ordering them online. They had just come back in stock. They've been out of stock for a while, but I think it's part of the permanent collection. So it always, they always, you know, every few days they come back in stock again. And, you know, for tennis shoes, or I don't know, do people say tennis shoes, or is that West Coast or old school? I don't know. Sneakers, whatever you call these. So I love everything about these. They are just so gorgeous. They can go with anything. And also the fact that, I don't know, I've always preferred darker sneakers. I've never liked white sneakers on me personally. I just, for some reason, I feel like I could be wearing a really cool outfit or something, and then if I would wear white sneakers, it would just be like, you know, you stare at the white sneakers. That's for me personally. And so these just really hit the spot for me. I mean, I really like them. I think it'd be fun to change the laces out, maybe put like a pink color, you know, other things. I mean, you could totally change it up and change the look and the style. So anyway, let me take out the other one first too. Let's take both out and look at them. And then I'll do a little modeling shot for you. So here's the other one. Again, just really, really pretty. I mean, that patent black on the back, it just brings it up a whole other level, you know? I love that shiny black on there. It just makes it look, I mean, not that they're not, you know, of course they're expensive, but they're not as expensive as a lot of their shoes on there. All right, let me go ahead and try these on, see how they fit, and do a little modeling shot for you. Fun. Here, I can be like, you know, let me come closer to you guys. I can be, oh, you know, hello, how are you? Have you noticed my beautiful shoe? Huh? Yeah, isn't it wonderful? I know. All right, so yeah, I mean, these are so cute, really fun, and I think I'm gonna really enjoy these. I feel like this is gonna be some good use out of them. You know, so yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoy my new shoes, and you guys take care, and until next time, bye.